Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset via recovery mode your Poco X6 Pro, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it because it's very useful for troubleshooting or fixing problems with the phone when it doesn't boot properly or is experiencing errors. So first of all, we're going to need to power off our device, and there is 3 options how you can do it. First of all, you can just simply press on power button. Then you can press volume up and power button in the same time, or you can use your assistive touch button on the screen. So I'm gonna stick with just pressing the power button.
To find the power button, tap Get Support and check your device manufacturer's help content.
And now we're gonna need to turn on our device in the recovery mode. And what we're gonna need to do is to simply press on power button and volume up button in the same time until the Poco logo will appear on the screen, and then you will release your power button and just stick with volume up button like this. And now we have recovery mode menu, and also you can tap on the screen because the sensor doesn't really work here in this mode. You can only use volume up and volume down buttons to switch, and to confirm you will use your power button. So let's start. Here we're gonna choose wipe data, so we press on the volume down button and confirm on power button. Again, wipe all data, volume down button, and power button to confirm. And here we will just confirm, so scroll down and confirm. And now we're gonna need to wait a little bit. So here we're just gonna need to press confirm and reboot. Again, just confirm and reboot to the system. Your smartphone is fully cleared and ready to be used again, and you're gonna need to set up your device once again. And if you don't know how to do it, you can watch my previous video how to set up your Poco X6 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.